Have you ever wondered how your phone or computer actually connects to the internet? Behind the scenes, every device uses something called an IP address. Today, let's break down what an IP address really is, why it's important, and the different types you should know. 1. What is an IP address? An IP address, short for Internet Protocol Address, is a unique number that identifies your device on a network. Think of it like a digital home address. Just like delivery services need your house address to send you packages, the Internet needs an IP address to send information to the right device. 2. Why do we need IP addresses? When you open a website, send a message, or watch a video online, your device sends a request to a server. The server needs your IP address to know where to send the response. Without an IP address, the Internet wouldn't know who asked for what. So IP addresses help devices find, communicate, and send data to each other. 3. How does an IP address look? There are two main formats of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. Small diamond IPv4 oldest and most common looks like 192.168.1.1. Made of 4 numbers separated by dots, total of about 4 billion unique addresses. Small diamond IPv6 newer version, because IPv4 addresses are running out, looks like much longer and supports trillions of addresses. More secure and efficient public versus private IP addresses. Small diamond public IP address. This is the address given to your network by your Internet Service Provider, ISP. It's how the outside world sees your connection. If someone looks up your IP online, this is the one they see. Small diamond private IP address. This is the address used inside your home or office network. Your router assigns private IPs to your devices like your phone, laptop, TV, etc. Examples: 192.168 x x or 10 x x x. Static versus dynamic IP addresses. Small diamond dynamic IP address. Most homes use dynamic IPs. It means your IP address can change automatically over time. It's easy to manage and safer for general use. Small diamond static IP address. This IP never changes. It stays the same permanently. Businesses use static IPs for servers, CCTV systems, websites, or remote access. How devices get their IP address? Your router uses something called DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, to automatically assign IP addresses to devices. You don't need to set it manually unless you want a fixed IP. What can someone do with your IP address? Normally, not much. It only shows your general location, like your city. But sharing your IP publicly isn't recommended, because advanced users could attempt to flood your network, track your rough location, try to connect to open ports. This is why people use VPNs to hide their IP. VPN and IP address. A VPN gives you a new IP address from a different city or country. This helps protect your identity, location, and online activity. Why are IP addresses important? They identify your device, they route data correctly, they keep networks organized, they allow devices to communicate, they make the internet actually work. Without IP addresses, the entire internet system would collapse. So in simple words, an IP address is your device's digital identity. It's how the internet knows who you are, where to send your data, and how to connect you with websites and services. From IPv4 to IPv6, public to private, static to dynamic, IP addresses keep everything running smoothly behind the scenes.